Hi guys, once again you are welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about hey, I guess you already know by now. Yes, so will Aviator make you money or not? I'm going to explore it back to back. Everything on Aviator. You understand? Should you bet your money on it? Should you invest in Aviator? Is it even an investment? Well, yes, so that's what we'll be doing today. So the first thing I'll talk about is, why do you think every betting company you know right now is running Aviator? Do you think that the guy that created the betting site created it so that you and I can just wake up one day and invest a small amount of money and then just profit of it? Yes, I just it's just something I want you to consider. I want you to think, reflect. For those who don't know it, I'll explain what the Aviator game is. So it's a simple game. What it is you place a bet on a plane, a flying plane, and the longer you wait to cash out, the more money you make. However, there's a catch. If the plane takes off before you cash out, you lose. To many people, the Aviator game is a quick way to cash out some money, you understand? But you're going to see if this is true. So the plane's takeoff in the game is programmed randomly, and the odds or multipliers are made in such a way that they have the company in mind. You understand? The betting company in mind. So for every instance of the game, the betting company expect to make not less than 11% of all the money that has been staked. Yes. So it's highly unlikely, it's highly impossible to make money on Aviator, money you can use to take care of your family or something, you understand? So some people may ask, we've seen people, win big. So what's your take on that? Yes, that's true. Recently there was a guy, he was able to win 6 million Ghana cedis, and then it was all over the news. But then how many people have you seen win that much? It's almost negligible. One thing I've also realized is that anytime you go on social media, whether TikTok, Facebook, and someone posts something about Aviator, when you go into the comment section, most of the people, about 90% of the people, speak about the fact that they've lost money. Yes, sometimes over 100 comments. You are going to read all, and probably there's not a single person who is testifying that Aviator has really made their money. Basically, the big wins are advertisement. It's true, although the people get the money all right, but then it's a way of advertising the game so that more people will play it. There's always going to be outliers. Some people are going to find some way to win big, and those people probably, I'm not sure it's even up to 2% of all the people who play Aviator. I know you've probably heard some big hype, a lot of people talking about this Aviator game here and there and telling you, you are going to make money and blah blah. The thing is, these people are just promoters. They work for the betting companies, and that is how they make money. So the bottom line is, if you are looking to make easy money, you shouldn't look at Aviator. You should look at Aviator. That is, if you want to create a betting site, you understand. For that, you are going to benefit. You are going to profit a lot. But if you intend to, bet your money, no. All right. So this ends it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow. You understand? I'll be making more videos. Yes. So have a nice day.